25+ years.
And how did you get into painting?
Father was a body man, so I went off to high school, gave me the opportunity to take a class at another high school, and had auto body and frame straightening. And during that course, I decided to become a painter.
And then what did you do before working here?
Working here, I used to paint ambulances. Started painting ambulances. Plus, and before that, I did cars, production shops, restoration shops.
And how long have you been working here?
2 years yesterday. Halloween is an anniversary for me here.
Okay. Alright, so how long have you been doing upholstery?
Oh, for how long? I've been doing upholstery like for more than 10 years.
And how did you get into upholstery? You were a kid?
No, I just need the money, and I was living in Puerto Rico, and I started working for this company doing backpack for the Marines. I didn't know how to sew, and they teach me. Since that, I'm here.
And how long have you been here?
Like almost 2 years.
Welding fabrication.
Basically, I had some welding experience when I was in the military, found that it was something I liked to do. So after getting out, I kind of just tossed around being a mechanic or anything else. Seems to be I was a mechanic for a while. And then I decided to go to school for welding. So I've probably been welding for, I'd say probably 3 years. MIG welding. Now TIG welding I've only been doing for about a year and a half, maybe a little bit more. It's a good job, it's a fun job. It's a challenge because TIG welding necessarily isn't easy. It's something a lot of people think they can do and they can't. There's a lot to it. You're using, both hands and a foot, so it's something different. It's a fun job. I like what I do and continue to do it.
Ever since I remember, I've been working with wiring. I started the sidewalk in front of my house in Puerto Rico. And I get to study. When I get out of high school, I went to study to an institute. What I studied was radio and TV repair. And I never worked on that because when I was done, I went to a place called Asset Conservation, and what they do is installing auto security systems and stuff. And I've been there for 2-3 years. And after that, I went to a place called Max Pro. I've been there for 10 years. That's when I expand my knowledge. I've been doing this for almost 26, 37 years now.
And how long have you been here doing it?
In here, it's gonna be a year and 3 months.